All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at two different Android apps that you can make PayPal money from on your smartphone. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell as well. There's hundreds of videos in my back catalog you can check out as well. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below for that as well. There you get a free membership, a huge community of helpful people, free websites, free training, a bunch of really cool stuff to help you out making passive income online. And like I said, there's a huge community there. Everyone helps out. It's really cool. Check that out as well. But let's dive into this. So first up is SlideJoy. It's a really cool app you can put on your phone, and you just basically swipe left or right on different ads. And you can check these out. Swipe to engage. And basically you get paid for different things that you do, different tasks with the ads. Really cool. There's a rating here in the Google Play Store, 4.3 out of 5, so you can check that out as well. There's a frequent asked questions up here you might want to check out as well. There'll be links in the video description below for both of these different sites. This one pays out with PayPal or gift cards and different things like that, so pretty cool. Basically, and the other one's pretty much the same thing. You're going to want to come to the website for this one and download it here. It's not in the Google Play Store. But pretty much the same thing, guys. You're going to be checking out, different ads and stuff, and just doing swipe left or swipe right on the ad, and you'll get paid either by PayPal, gift cards, coupons, different things like that. So just a really quick video, guys. Again, this is for Android only. Here's some stats on this one: 9 million total downloads, 5 million redeemed points. So it's pretty cool. You're not gonna get rich doing this stuff, but it's something to make some extra cash. If you really want to learn how to make money online, check out my #1 recommendation and the top link in the video description below. Again, you'll get a free membership there, free websites, a huge community of very helpful people. So check that out, folks. That is all for now. Please subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you soon.